moving right.
Kind of easy when they're calling it trouble.
Got really mad.
So does that mean a win? Wait.
Hasty defense. Come on, defense.
Our defense got. Let's go. Kid got really mad because I hit it. What happened?
Why are you playing the game? Yeah, man, we're getting shot.
Yeah, he can't make clip on clip. Okay, Xavier, is it right?
Oi, post up. You guys are standing all around in a big circle. One shot, it's all ya.
I'll take tower.
Take tower.
12 minutes left.
I don't like that.
I got him. Cover the flag. Yeah, man. Good work. I looked behind me for a second. See how it's happening.
Was that a BB?
There we go. Yeah, we probably ought to spray out. Oh, center, contact.
He's dead.
Oh shit, sorry.